ना.
And I've called a priest, and I've called upon the highest of my dreams, and I go to sleep, I let them in, I'm holding on to you, oh, and the wind has turned. And the wind closer to my body, a delicate touch of instinct, moving slow but my heart's racing, yeah. Your fingers sliding down my chest. What do you want from me? Lately it's been nothing but a mystery. Curiosity has got me wondering if this'll be alright. I want you in my life for more than a night. You got me overthinking here, why we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking here. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. Yeah. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. Okay. Yeah. Logically, it don't make sense to me. I don't see what you see. For making me wait to call you my lady, making me contemplate, trying to calculate what your side state. Tell me why hesitate, why you keeping me at bay? Don't wanna be in the gray. Baby, I really love your curves, but I need my answer straight. What do you want from me? Lately it's been nothing but a mystery. Curiosity has got me wondering if this'll be alright. I want you in my life for more than just a night. You got me overthinking here, why we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking here. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking.
fading into what we undone. Can we go back to those days when everything felt so right? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? Are we just tired of the fight, or just scared to walk away? Caught in between what was love and the ghost of yesterday. Can we go back to those days when everything felt so right? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? Is it over now, or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Yeah. Is it over now? Can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Tell me, where do we stand? On the edge of something we forgot? Or are we just too far gone to remember what we just lost? Can we go back to those days when everything felt so right? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? Is it over now, or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Is it over now, or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts? Fill an empty space. Is it over now, or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts? Try to feel, yeah. Is it over now? Can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Come on now. Is it over now? Can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Is it over now? Can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Try to fill an empty space. Is it over now? Can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Fill